Have you ever tried sneezing with your eyes open? Well, you can't. But why? Every time you sneeze, your eyes automatically shut. It's a built-in reflex. When you sneeze, your body releases air at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah. That sudden force creates a strong pressure in your nasal passages, throat, and even behind your eyes. So, what's happening when you sneeze? It all starts with your brain detecting an irritant, like dust, pollen, or even bright light. These irritants activate the trigeminal nerve, which controls reflexes like blinking. Instantaneously, your diaphragm contracts, throat muscles tighten, and your eyes shut to protect them from dust, germs, and pressure changes. No wonder sneezing feels so intense. It is science, not magic.